it's Gina and Scully with WTI. If you've got a little fur baby like we do, maybe a cat or a dog, and you want them to be able to come and go freely from the inside to the outside, then you're going to love this really functional door that we got from CEESC. We installed this in a door in our rec room that's out in our warehouse. We just followed the manufacturer's instructions step by step to make sure that we were able to install it correctly. Because our door is different widths, you can see that the top of it, there's a little bit of a gap. And that was fine because we installed this on an inside door, so we didn't have to worry about water getting in. Some of the features we really like are, number one, that it has a brush strip around the entire door. So this makes it close quietly, and it also helps with keeping the draft to a minimum. And then the second thing is that it has four-way locking. So we have actually had some raccoons come through our cat door. And so at night we go ahead and lock it completely so that no one can come in or out of the door. This one is a bit heavier than the other cat door she's used to. So we had to do a little bit of training, but that only took about half an hour. And then she was used to it and uses it every single day. This is a really budget-friendly cat door. Scully loves it. We love it. We think you will too. And that's our point of view.